Yodeck's interactive library app ensures your viewers always get the content they need, exactly when they need it. This app goes beyond simple displays, offering customizable interactive content categories to captivate attention and boost engagement. You can add up to 6 content categories and let your audience select the specific content they want to view. The interactive library app is more than a tool. It's your gateway to delivering smarter, more engaging digital content. From interactive playlists to customizable layouts and dashboards, this premium app is designed to captivate your audience and simplify your content delivery. If you want to display the same content but in different languages, use the interactive library app to give your customers the option to select the content in the language they want. Whether you're streamlining operations, enhancing customer experiences, or boosting engagement, the interactive library app delivers exactly what you need when you need it. Ready to redefine how you deliver content? Unlock the power of the interactive library app today. Explore the possibilities, empower your audience. Start your journey by upgrading to the enterprise plan today.